What's the significance of the terms indica and sativa in the cannabis world? Indica and sativa were coined in the 1700s to describe different varieties of cannabis. Indica describes short plants with broad leaves originating from the Hindu Kush mountains of India, and sativa describes tall plants with narrow leaves originating from the tropics of Southeast Asia and Africa. The two varieties developed distinct characteristics as they were cultivated in geographically distinct regions with little to no gene transfer. In the centuries since then, indica has come to be associated with sedating effects, while sativa has come to be associated with energizing effects. This originated from their distinct phytochemical profiles, the terpenes in particular. Beginning in the mid-1900s, cannabis spread widely around the globe, and hybridization between distinct landrace cultivars accelerated. Fast forward to 2026, and the result is a vast array of hybridized cultivars with a mix of traditional indica and sativa characteristics. Many cannabis products are labeled indica, sativa, or hybrid, intending to give the consumer an indication of anticipated effects. However, studies consistently show that these labels don't reflect the product chemotype or the customer experience. In other words, the labels may not be accurate or useful. I've included the links to a couple of these studies in the caption. I encourage you to check them out for yourself, but here's a couple of quick quotes from the authors of the studies. Sativa indica labels thus do not accurately reflect genetic relatedness, which is consistent with previous work. And the nomenclature does not reliably distinguish between samples based on their chemical content. So what the science is saying is it's the phytochemical profile of your cannabis product that's providing the nuanced effects, and labeling it indica or sativa is primarily marketing. The best way to predict your experience is to pay attention to the dominant cannabinoids and terpenes. You can learn more at SiskiyouSungrown.com, SiskiyouSungrownCBD.com, or our YouTube channel, The Feel Better Show.